They say you can buy a supercar, but true legends? Take a good look at this. Looks like it cost millions and rolled straight out of Italy, right? Wrong. This was born in a garage, hand-built, piece by piece. It's the ultimate proof that you don't need a blank check. You just need the vision, the tools, and the guts to make it happen. Absolutely flawless. But if that build was about elegance, this next one is about pure violence. This thing shouldn't even exist. A VW Beetle with a V8 heart. Is it engineering or just madness? Maybe both. Stuffing that much raw power into a lightweight chassis isn't just mechanics. It's intimidation. This rumble shakes the ground and demands respect from any modern muscle car out there. Aesthetic perfection. On the other, a V8 monster. Which one of these garage builds are you taking home? Let me know in the comments.